Caring for Pets by two Girl Scouts from Troop 6432, Girl Scouts of Northeast Texas. The importance of spaying and neutering your pets. Who can get spayed/neutered? Primarily cats and dogs. However, if you have a bunny or another uncommon mammal, you can get them spayed/neutered as well. But what exactly is spaying or neutering? The terms spaying and neutering refer to the surgical removal of the reproductive organs. Where can I get it done? The ASPCA has many low-cost clinics. You can also ask your local vet clinic if they can spay or neuter your pet. If you are planning to adopt an animal at a shelter, they will already be spayed/neutered, vaccinated, and microchipped. See slides 3 and 4 for more details. When should I get my pet spayed/neutered? Dogs should be spayed/neutered at 6 to 9 weeks. Cats should have the process done at 8 weeks to 5 months. How does the animal get it done? The process of spaying and neutering is a surgery which removes the reproductive organs. How much does it cost? It can cost anywhere from $30 to $130. Depending on the place you get it done at, the medical health of the pet in general, and the aftercare they receive. What is the benefit of spaying my pet? Spaying and neutering your pet can reduce animal homelessness and shelter overcrowding, reduce the euthanization of animals in shelters, reduce the risk of cancer in dogs by 50% and cats by 90%, reduces aggression in dogs and cats, and reduces indoor urination. Microchips. What is it? A microchip, also called a PIT tag, is a small device injected under the skin that uses passive radio frequency identification, RFID technology, to talk to an antenna to determine the identity of the chip, which is registered to an organization such as ASPCA or AKC. Benefits. A traditional collar can get snagged on underbrush or can get chewed off. However, a microchip is under the skin, so it is less likely to get damaged, left behind, or otherwise be unable to perform its job than a collar. The chip also doesn't require power, meaning it could last the entirety of your pet's lifespan if the chip isn't damaged. Cost. Most adoption centers already have the animal microchipped, so you would just need to fill out a registration. If your pet needs a chip, then places like ASPCA, AKC, or your local veterinary office should be able to do the procedure and registration for anywhere from $20 to $50. Vaccinations. Vaccines are used to build an immunity to a disease or virus. Common human vaccines include the tetanus, flu, and COVID vaccines. The vaccine is a weak simulation of the virus in order for your body to be able to recognize and defend against an actual infection. There are different vaccines that your pet should get based on exposure risk, although there are some vaccines, called core vaccines, that have been deemed vital to your animal. The lists below are for cats and dogs. The core vaccines for dogs are for rabies, canine parvovirus, distemper, and canine hepatitis. The core vaccines for cats are for panleukopenia, feline calicivirus, feline herpes virus type 1, and rabies. For further information, visit aspca.org. Notice, every pet is different, so check with your vet to make sure you are doing the right thing for your furry friend. How to find a low-cost vet near you. This one is simple. Google how to find a low-cost vet near you. That will solve that problem and you won't waste your time looking for as long a while. Pet safety. To keep pets safe, small children should learn boundaries. For example, Where can I go that the dog can't? Make a room or area for the child to go to when they do not want to be around the dog, such as their bedroom. Where can the dog go that I can't? Have a room or area for the dog to go to where the child can't go, such as the feeding area or the sleeping area. Why can't my kid go near the dog while they are eating? Dogs don't like it when you bother them when they are eating or sleeping. Why can't my kid go near the dog while they are eating? Dogs don't like it when you bother them when they are eating or sleeping. My kid wants to pet a stranger's dog. How can they do that safely? Practice the following with them. With a parent, ask the pet owner if you can pet their dog. If they say yes, ask if there are any places the dog likes to be pet or doesn't like to be pet. You can also ask if the dog is a boy or a girl if you want to. If they say no, walk away and try to be polite. Try this interaction with your kid and they'll be able to pet the dog safely. Foods for cats. Cats can eat fish, poultry, beef, cheese, berries, cooked carrots, rice, pumpkin, oatmeal, cooked eggs. Cats cannot eat raw eggs, raw meats, bones, caffeinated drinks, chocolate, onions, garlic, shallot, alcohol, raw dough, dairy, dog food, grapes, and raisins. Food for dogs. Dogs can eat coconut, corn off the cob, cooked egg, cooked fish, honey, peanut butter/peanuts, pork, unsalted, unbuttered popcorn, quinoa, wheat, grains, yogurt, turkey, and pumpkin. Foods dogs can eat in moderation: bread, cashews, cheese, ham, cooked and peeled shrimp, tuna. Dogs cannot eat chocolate, almonds, cinnamon, plants in the allium family, like onion, garlic, and leeks, ice cream, macadamia nuts, grapes, and raisins. How to correctly exercise your pet. You need to make sure that your pet is mentally and physically content. You should consider putting more mentally challenging games into their lifestyle, such as putting dog food in a set of stacking containers so your puppy has to pull them apart to get the food inside, or making a cat maze for your feline friend to enjoy. Make sure the activities you choose are evenly balanced in the physical and mental aspect of helping your furry friend. Special shout out to the shelters and operations put in place for animals, not only domesticated ones. Bibliography.
Pause here for a second.
Check the description below to get access to the direct links we used in the bibliography. Note.